Hello students, welcome back to SPK English Academy. I am Saran Basappa. In today's class, I am going to discuss the 10th class first language English lesson, the pie and the tot. So on this lesson, I have set 18 multiple choice questions which will help you to next coming examination. So now we have to look at the questions. The first question is like this. Pierre told that he was dying of A. Bad smell of the slum, hunger and cold, heat of the sun, heavy rainfall. The right answer is hunger and cold. Next question. Pierre's tunic has dash holes. A 23, B 25, C 26, D 23. Option D is right. 23 holes. Question number 3. Pierre was arrested for A. Stealing, B. Begging, C. Singing, D. Lying. The right answer is option B. Begging. Next question. John told that he had no food for dash. Option A 6 days, 5 days, 8 days, 7 days. The correct answer is option D 7 days. Next question. The name of the judge was A. Judge Gaston, B. Judge Harris, C. Judge Nicholas, D. Judge Mary. The right answer is Judge Gaston. 6. Galter was going to have a meal with A. Mayor, B. Lawyer, C. Doctor, D. The corporate. The correct option is A. The mayor. 7. Marian refused to carry the eel pie to mayor's house because A. She has too much to do errands, B. She has to prepare food, C. She has to wash the clothes, D. She has to clean the house. The right answer is option A. She has too much to do errands. Question number 8. The messenger who comes to carry the eel pie should. Option A. Kiss Marianne's hand. B. Sing a song before Marianne. C. Touch Marianne's hand. D. Pray to God. The correct option is should kiss Marianne's hand. Question number 9. When Pierre told John to kiss Marianne's hand, John told him that he was not lovesick, he was starving, he wanted to Marianne to kiss. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. He was not lovesick, he was starving. Question number 10. Pierre told that all the birds of the air could nest in his stomach. It means that Option A, he was very hungry. Option B, he was suffering from cold. Option C, he was busy. Option D, he was very thirsty. The right answer is option A, he was very hungry. Question number 11. Dash will be heard gurgling in the gutter after getting the eel pie. A. Roast fowl. B. Nectarines. C. Rainwater. D. Champagne. The correct option is D. Champagne. 12. Pierre says that he shall take the greatest care of it. Here, it refers to a large eel pie, B. a cranberry tart, C. a sweet fruit, D. a large bread. The correct option is option A, a large eel pie. Question number 13. Pierre told Marianne that he should carry the eel pie A. close to his bosom, B. on his shoulder, C. on his back, D. on his head. The correct option is A. close to his bosom. Which of the following statement is not correct to Pierre's comparison of carrying the eel pie? Option A mother with her bantlings, a shepherd with his ewes, Ursula with her maidens, a teacher with his students. The correct option is, it should be D, a teacher with his students. Question number 15. Masher Galter became angry when he came back home because option A. Marianne had eaten the eel pie, B. Mayer was out, C. Marianne did not send the eel pie, D. The eel pie was not tasty. The correct option is option B. Mayer was out or Mayer was not at home. Question number 16. According to John, after the meal, the brain is option A. inactive, option B. in interest of digestion, option C. in a sleepy mood, option D. very tired. The right answer is option B. in interest of digestion. 17. A cranberry tart was kept in the cake shop on a shelf. Option A, outside the kitchen. Option B, inside the kitchen. Option C, in the hall. Option D, in the bedroom. The right answer is option A, outside the kitchen. Last question, question number 18. Which of the following is not correct about the stage setting of play? Option A, it has a curtain. Option B, it has one door back center. Option C, a bench is kept on the stage. Option D, all the above. The right answer is option D, all the above. So students, so these are the 18 multiple choice questions which I have tried to set on the lesson The Pie and the Tart. So watch this video from beginning to end. and it is better to note down these questions in your notebook. They will help you to practice more for the next coming examination. So please share this video your friends, your students, and like the video and comment on video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for latest updates regarding the first language English 10th class. Thank you for watching this video.